how to remove song from your Instagram post after posting. So if you find this video helpful, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now we are here in our Instagram. Go to your profile, and here I have a reel posted, and this reel should have music on it or in it. So how to change the music, you have to tap on that three buttons and go to edit. Once you're here, go to advanced settings. So as you can see, there is no option to change the music. What you can do is this: go back, click on that three dots again, click on download. So this will download your video or reel that you have posted. So just wait for it to download, as it may take some time before it would get in your phone or in your gallery. So there it is, it have been downloaded. So archive this post. What you will do next is click on the plus button and then go to the reel section of this Instagram, and you can get it here, and then go to that music icon and just select the music of your choice. So I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.